Welcome to CET Color's instructional web series. Today we're going to walk you through how to properly change the UV lamps on a CET Color large format digital UV printer. Remember to make sure the printer is turned off. Refer to our instructional video on powering off the printer. Gather your materials. It's helpful to have a tool cart in order to have a place for all your materials, and it's helpful to have space to perform the lamp replacement. You will need a medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and 2 UV lamps. When changing one UV lamp, it's necessary to replace the other at the same time. Disconnect the 2 wires that power the fan and the wire that powers the main UV lamp. Grab your Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 3 front screws on the lamp housing. Lift up the cover and set it aside. Remove the 2 screws on the top back corners of the lamp housing. Lift up the lamp housing and place it gently on the flatbed. Grab your flathead screwdriver and loosen the wires of the lamp out of the terminal. Then remove the old UV lamp from the lamp housing. Replace the old lamp with the new UV lamp. 2 things to remember are: 1. Be careful when handling the UV lamps. Don't touch the lamp itself with your fingers. 2. Make sure it clicks into place on both sides. Run the 2 wires into their connectors on the terminal and secure the set screws with your flathead screwdriver. Make sure that they are both secure. Insert the lamp housing back into its position. Secure the 2 back screws first. Replace the cover and then secure the 3 front screws. Reconnect the fan and UV lamp power supplies. Make sure that the 2 wires for the fan snap into place. And then you repeat the same procedure to replace the other UV lamp. And that's how to properly replace the UV lamps on a CET Color large format digital UV printer.